Hey everyone, Jacob here. So we're going from this to this. Now when it comes to cleaning my wheels, I'm lazy and impatient. I want results fast. So this took me on a journey around the internet and I found this product that claims it works really quickly. It's metal pre-clean by Flitz. So I'm using this for the first time on my own dime at that, and I am shocked at how easily this removes the big buildup that I had on the inside of my wheels. So instructions, you spray it on a dry wheel, and I'm using a light sponge to just easily wipe everything off here. Now the instructions say to do this really quickly, but it doesn't actually say how long to let it sit, so I worked really quickly and pressure washed it off. The result was like a huge amount of work saved right away. Now there is still a whole bunch of little like water spots. I don't know the name for it, but I'm sure somebody knows the metallurgy behind it, and they could throw it in the comments. But this is kind of stage one. So honestly, this is a huge improvement from where it was in literally a matter of minutes. But now stage two is we have to get the polish out. So I bought the same Flitz polish that is recommended here. I'll throw links up in the description for the exact stuff I used. I bought this off Amazon. Now, this is a little bit of a technique required, and I didn't quite figure it out until about halfway through my wheel set, but nonetheless, you can still see the result here. And I didn't opt to buy their recommended polishing pad. I probably should have. I used a really cheap one that I just had laying around the shop for free. So here we can see the results, and here is where I didn't get to yet, so quite a big change there. Now, I did the inside of the wheels. To me, I'm going for this three-dimensional deep look from the side profile of my truck. It took me about 10 minutes to do each inner wheel and about another 10 minutes on the outside. So for comparison's sake here, I'm going to throw up one wheel that's done and one wheel that's not been polished, but they've both been treated with the pre-clean. So you can see the difference, or see if you can even see the difference. Maybe it's subtle, but nonetheless. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Shoot me a thumbs up, shoot me a subscribe. Check out this product if you want to clean your wheels.